Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart in Trello. So let's climb straight in. So I'm in Google Chrome, the application, and I'm going to go over to the right hand side, hit the three dots, and I'm going to look for extensions, and I'm going to come down here to visit Chrome Web Store. From here we're going to click on extensions on the left hand side, and here we are going to type in Good Gantt. Let's go ahead and hit enter. Now this is the extension that you're going to be using. Let's click on that. Over on the right hand side, we're going to go and click on add to Chrome. Let's add the extension, and now it has been added. Okay, on the top right you can see it says Good Gantt has been added. Let's go over back to Trello. You can see now that there is no changes being made. We're going to refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you'll see a difference on the right hand side. It says Kanban and Gantt. Now what you'll do from here is go ahead, scroll down to the bottom. You're going to click on allow, okay, and it's going to give you access to Good Gantt. Good Gantt is going to be able to speak with Trello, and you'll be able to see all of your boards and your cards, all of it in a Gantt chart view.